And so, my friends, I wish everyone a Happy New Year. And today I want to show you pyrokinesis from Ernst Veter. I've taught one person so far who recently posted his video online. But I want to show you how I do it, and how it works much more efficiently and uses much less energy. What do we need for this? Saucer, a metal lighter, and a napkin. Let's take a piece of tissue. And now we will need to light a fire so that I can pass its wave on. Watch the tissue carefully. I'm going to use the usual technique now, wave transmission. Quite the convenient technique for everyone, actually. Watch carefully. It transferred. I have just shown you a secret of pyrokinesis, which is called an energy transfer. Thank you for your attention. Ernst Veter was here with you.